Right. So here is my rack setup. This is a 12U StarTech rack I got on Amazon like 3 years ago. This would normally be in the top unit, but it's having night terrors right now. It needs a motherboard. I'm gonna just replace it. This is an IBM System X 3250 M1. Consumer Core 2 Duo era. This rack mainly runs retro Windows stuff, so we're talking like server 2003 to probably around server 2016 is the latest I get up to in here. But this I just recently pulled the drives from because this thing needed some drives. This is an IBM System X 3650 M3. It's running two Intel Xeon. Oh god, I can't remember for the life of me what's in here. I think they're X5670s. 6 core by 12 thread at 2.4 gigahertz. 24 gigahertz of RAM, or 24 gigabytes of RAM. It's got a 640 gig. These are 15K RPM SAS drives. I'm gonna be SSD swapping this at some point, but I haven't gone around to it yet. This is running ESXi. I'm using this as a hypervisor. Right now in this rack, I'm doing a bunch of experiments with System Center Configuration Manager for, like, deploying... Oh yeah, hang on, I've got a computer connected to this monitor that's running one of my endpoints. Yeah, I know I need to enter a username and password. 1 second. Right, so I'm logged in. This is a fully automated deployed Windows image, and you can tell because it's got Software Center on it, so... let's see if this will load the task sequences. I don't remember if I've logged into this machine before, so I'm not sure if the policy is replicated yet. Yeah, apparently it has. So, yeah, you can see my list of applications here, and then, yeah, you can see the task sequence that it installed. Oh, wait, no, you can't. Oh, whatever. It doesn't show up here. It did definitely. It was. I'm pretty sure it was this task sequence right here. But yeah. Anyway, let me just lock this workstation. This is an IBM. Yeah. This is This is running virtual machines. Right now, it's running the domain controller because I'm running into an issue with deploying Windows 10 where I can't set GPOs where I need to set them because they don't exist because I was previously running at a server 2008 R2 domain function level and I wanted to do I need the GPOs for hiding the lock screen in Windows 10 and I can't do that. So I had to migrate the FSMO roles off of this PowerEdge T410 that's right here onto a VM running on this so that I can then blow this guy away and reinstall server 2016 or install server 2016 on here, migrate the FSMO roles back over here, and then upgrade the domain function level because I didn't want to in-place upgrade the domain controller because you don't really do that. But yeah, so this is an Intel McAfee DLP 5500. This is an old data loss appliance I got from a high school for free, brand new in the box. This is my NAS. It's running TrueNAS. It's got 16 terabytes of raw disk on board. They're SATA drives, so it's not the fastest thing in the world, but I'm running full gigabit, so, like, oh dear. So, USB key overboard. It's not the end of the world that it's not the fastest drives, because there's no way I'm going to max the whole bus out. It's only a gigabit of bandwidth I have available to this thing, but it's got all my system backups, my closet replication. I'll show you my closet in a second. But, this is an Xserve G4. It is a dual 1.33 gigahertz model with, I believe, 2 gigabytes of RAM. This is a Mac, so this is obviously running OS 10 server, or it might be running it might be running OpenBSD, I don't remember. But, it does Mac things for me. And then the bottom unit is a Dell PowerEdge 2950. This is my SCCM server. This is running a 250 gig, 15K RPM SAS drive for the boot drive. It's 3.5 inch drives. And then under it, it's just running a standard 1 terabyte desktop drive just to host the distribution point. Normally under this would be my Plex Media server, but that's in my dorm room right now. That's a custom-built 2U rack chassis I put together. That's an Intel Xeon E3 1275 V6 with 32 gigs of server DDR4. But that's not here right now. Anyway, let me show you my other closet. This is my software library. So, this is my archive of just about every single commercial Microsoft product ever released. These binders go from around 2003 to 2014. So I have every version of Windows. They pick up around Server 2000 or Windows 2000, and then they sort of end out around Windows 8.1's kind of the top of my collection. But yeah, this is an old admin binder in like a random IT setting I got on eBay with these binders. And then yeah, this is all boxed Windows up here. This is mostly for archival purposes. I have an Internet Archive account that's got like a bunch of software that was not previously on the internet, so that's where most of this stuff lives. And then this is some kind of, I think Microsoft sent these to organizations at some point in 2008. I don't remember the lore on this, but this is just a Server 2008 5 cal license and Virtual Server 2005 R2. But yeah, computers, I like them.